Welcome back, everybody. So we got a care package today from Vevor, one of their 21-inch griddles. Let's have a real quick unboxing and show you what it is. Alright, so first things first you want to do is you want to clean it and take all this oil that came from the factory. So we're just going to go ahead and wipe it down with the wet rag first. Then we're going to go ahead and add some soap in our rag. And then we're going to add some water here to clean it. And then we're going to dry it with our paper, with some napkins, and make sure it's nice and dry. Alright, we're going to do a light seasoning. Get it all over. Alright, so here we have it. We're going to be using our Chihuahua Mexican style quesadilla cheese for melting. This cheese is one of the best. Now you can find this at Walmart, Costco, all the grocery stores carry this now. So here we have our diced meat. Now what you guys can use for this is flank steak. You grab the flank steak at the stores, any stores you have around your grocery stores. Cut them in little tiny pieces. Little tiny pieces. Or beef round. Also works in little tiny pieces. We have our tortillas. Alright, so we're ready to add our meat. So let's seasoning of choice. Today we're going with Larry's seasoned salt. This is pretty nice because, as you can see, it's not sticking. Look at that. So I have it on medium low. So I would say on the dial we're looking at, I'm at 150 or 202 Fahrenheit. I mean 302 Fahrenheit. So 302 Fahrenheit or 150 on the knob. Alright, well, when you're almost done, make sure you guys give it a nice little taste for seasoning. Yeah, good enough. We're good on seasoning. So we're almost ready to start putting our tortillas down with some cheese and add the meat in it too. I mean, this is a nice size. This is a 21 inch and it's not bad. I mean, this you can put it on top of your stove in the kitchen. All right, this is pretty much ready. Let's go ahead and move it to the side. Let's add our cheese on half of one side. Now we're going to add our meat. Our onions and cilantro. Alright, should be ready to fold. All right, let's go try them. All right, guys, so here you have it. We did this on a 21-inch Vevor electric griddle. It was pretty nice and small, compact. Put it, like I said, put it in your kitchen, outdoors. You can even take it to the park, to the lake. If you have a generator or there's power there, you might want to try this. It's only it's 150 bucks for this 21 inch. And I think this 21 inch is a perfect size. It's small, but not too small. All right, so I know you guys want to see how this and how this tastes. It's very hot. Let's go. You know, I'm going to be adding salsa. Wife's actually making it right now. Took a little longer than I thought, but salsa being made, so I know I'm going to have some. Make sure you guys use your favorite sauce. There'll be a link in the description if you guys want to check this out, and I'll see you guys next time.